I've been using the same browser for years now, and in this video I'll explain why Brave browser is probably the best choice for you to use. And this is not a sponsored video, I am sharing my personal experience and recommendation. So let's get started and let me explain why Brave is probably the best browser. So why should you actually install Brave? Brave is an open source web browser supporting user privacy and security. It blocks ads and trackers by default and allows you to turn on extra shields or extra configuration settings for privacy and to prevent fingerprinting. Okay, so the main features of Brave is the Brave Shield, right? And also filtering, which I'll show you in a second. So anytime you go on a website, you get this shield, and this actually tells you how many trackers and ads are blocked. So as you can see in this case, on google.com, that is free. You can obviously also turn it off just in case maybe you're on your own website or you trust the website enough and you want to see the ads. You can just disable this anytime you want. Also, what you get is something called advanced controls. So as you can see, we can block trackers, we can block them aggressively, which could possibly break the website. So just be careful, but you can obviously turn it on. As you can see, the number actually changed to 12 now, right? So then what we can do is we can block scripts, which will definitely break the website. So be careful of this. Block fingerprinting, I highly recommend you leave this turned on. And then what you can do is you can change some other settings, and then also filtering, which is very, very cool. And I'll show you this in a second. Right, so to access filtering or basically block lists, all you have to do is just come to the shield and then press filter lists. Once you're here, just make sure to expand. So press show full list. And once you expand the list, what you get is you get a lot of filtering, right? Or block lists. So as an example, if you basically enable YouTube anti-shorts, this will block all shorts from YouTube. And in a second, I'm going to show you that this obviously works. Also, what you can do is you can disable paywalls. And there is also multi-language list, for example, Bulgarian, China, there is Czech and Slovakian, Germany. There is Greek, there is French, there's multiple languages. And also another point of using these lists is to block malware, because as we know, sometimes ads have malware, or most of the time they have malware. So with these lists, you can actually enable them. Also, if you have OPN sends and unbound settings, you can enable AdGuard and the DNS level. So basically, if you want to protect your whole network, all you have to do is you have to go to unbound block lists and you can enable these, and this will protect your whole network, right? Okay, so let's actually test this out. So if I come to the search and I type in shorts and I actually press short, as you can see, there's no shorts, they're not displaying. Sometimes you get a glimpse of the thumbnail, but you do not see the content, right? So this is perfect if you're easily distracted like me. Also, remember that this is just a regular browser. It has just extra features that a standard regular browser doesn't have, right? So as an example, Brave actually pays you to look at Brave ads, right? So if you want to get paid a little bit of crypto, you can do this with Brave rewards. Now, I'm not really sure how exactly this works because I really don't use this, so apologies, but you can get paid to see ads. You might have to do some research to exactly see how this works. You also get some additional features like a crypto wallet. There is an AI chat, so if you're an AI enthusiast, you can use AI. There is a Brave VPN. I'm pretty sure you have to pay for that, unfortunately. And there is also a new private window with Tor. However, I would recommend using a virtual machine to use Tor. You shouldn't really use Tor on your host system unless you know what you're doing, right? And overall, it is just a normal browser. It is privacy based, but overall, I love Brave because it is a very, very nice browser and it is available on most systems. So apart from that, the reason I love Brave is if you actually open up a new tab, as you can see nice images, but you can actually customize this. So if I come to customize, you can actually upload your own image. You can also put solid colors, but that is a bit boring. So what you can do, as I said, you can put your own image, and let me just show you how this works. Right, so I just uploaded some random image, and as you can see, it looks very, very nice. And Brave also allows you to change the whole appearance of the browser. So I'm going to change the colors. As you can see, now it's hurting my eyes, but if I change it to dark, now it's in hacker mode, right? So very, very nice. Right, and that'll be it for this video. If you'd like to support my channel, make sure to check out the courses, which will be in the description down below, where you can learn from me. Also, if you would like to support my work and my channel, you can buy memberships on YouTube. And thank you for watching, and peace.